Bong paon khnyom mat yo dam chuk khnyom yo mat do. I'm trading my lotus with my friend other lotus. That's okay. What you call a lotus dealer? Yeah.
Literally behind the truck, the trunk.
And yo dam chuk bo naing khnyom yo mat do chumui kwat. Anu tum dam. Anu po lương tum dam pi kropប៉ុន្តែយើងយកដូរគ្នាឆ្លាតចឹងហ៎បងប្អូន
You want me to be famous?
Nope. And this is how you dig a lotus plant from a pond. នេះគឺជារបៀបយើងជីកដើមឈូកពីបឹងបងប្អូនពីស្រះ Why don't you go all the way to the deep over there? Oh.
What do you want?
I want that too.
Okay, what else do you want? That's deep, it's so deep.
And you know, your mud is stinky. They like that.
They like that.
ដើមឈូកទៅចូលចិត្តទឹកស្អុយ It's gonna come all the way up here. No.
Yeah, it's running. See, there's petals over there. There's lilies over there, lotus leaves.
Oh, if you know if the water come high, yeah, like that one's already come high. No, you so lucky. You think it had the thingy? Oh, you didn't bring the thingy?
No, I can't. It's heavy. Let me go get it later. Oh, look, right here.
Good job. Good job, my friend. You did a beautiful job.
Oh, see, you get this.
Ooh, more, yeah. Oh, that's a good for me to transplant in that.
Yeah, you got another 2-3 plants here.
Don't slip and fall, okay?
Oh, no.
Now he dig to plant this one, the one I trade with him. Got cheat. Cheat hơi. You ta đam. Oh, you don't have to wear shoes. Why can you lose your shoes?
Oh.
And you don't wear gloves.
Not water.
That little plant that stuck to the stem.
Yeah.
Oh, it multiplied fast. Yeah, that little white one.
This one?
Yeah, but the fish eat that.
Oh.
Yeah.
You buy it?
No, it come with the lotus. When I bought lotus, you know. You looking for okay, fish?
Oh,
no, for crab. Get it?
Yeah.
Ro kchong, ro kchao. Oh, some.
That's a lot of root.
Yeah. Thơ some mà nó. Oh, you flip the lotus. Unflip it. I just put fertilizer, so
you did?
Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
Oh, remember that. I remember that. That's my lotus.
Spot.
Yeah. At night time, I'm gonna come back and
Yeah.
dig it out.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. It got hit by the rain.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, rain. You know, the rainwater make it grow. It's better than the city water, you know.
Yes. I have well water.
Yeah, well, water had. I don't know. But anyway, good job.
I gotta make sure I have enough dirt to take care of it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it will finds its way and spread too.
Yeah. Because yours is not like
Hmm.
bothered. Remember, it didn't cut the root. It's just
Yeah. Đau có tha đau ngọt slug linh nọ slug
oh my back. Okay. Remember, it's on the street.
Yeah, sure.
So you say we got pink and yellow?
Yeah. Two different pink and pure yellow.
Okay.
And the yellow one you can have the seed and eat.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Because this one you can eat too, but
They're small.
there's some are big, some are small.
Yeah, but
Majority is small.
yeah, but that yellow one is big. The flower, the seed part is big. I think it's gonna do good in your palm because you got big. You know, it will make
Yeah.
it. What's wrong?
Like that.
Yeah. Yeah, you buy that for your back. It helps.
I don't use it much.
No, you have to use it.
Yeah.
No, for real, it helps a
My
lot.
dad used to use it.
Mm-hmm. You young, you okay.
I'm 46. I'm old now.
I'm 50. I'm young now.
You younger.
Mama.
You don't cook with these yet?
No, you?
Yeah, you know you can eat it.
Yeah, I know.
Put it in bamboo shoot.
Oh, okay. No,
Make a bamboo shoot.
American people, they eat that.
See, I wish the water is so high.
Yeah,
With this is up, but by the time it's big, it's tall.
Uh-huh.
The water's down
yeah,
because I don't have a liner.
yeah.
It goes down with the water table.
Yep. No, even with my pond too, I add water, but then it stay more than these, you know.
Yeah, but yours is protected. Yours is
Yeah.
okay.
Why don't you dig another one and then you put a liner? You move all these to there. You know what I'm saying? And take all the water out.
Yeah.
And then put the liner in this pond.
Yeah.
And then you move the lotus back to this pond. Oh, that sounds like fun, Sam. That's a good idea.
So easy.
Yeah, Srul, easy. Yeah, easy.
Easy money.
Yep, easy money too. What you doing now?
I gotta make sure they get enough light.
I told you to cut the tree. Oh, I can't believe it. It's so nice. I know I saw a pond video. They dig I think 10,000 gallon.
Yeah.
No, maybe I lie. More than that. And they use a pond liner
Yeah.
for it. Which is good.
See, I don't want to go too deep
Yeah.
because it needs to come up.
Mm-hmm. Good, very good. Đâm hơi and all planted. Two different kind. Taoបងប្អូនតើមើល មកមើលបឹងជូកជាមួយនាងខ្ញុំទៀតហើយនេះមកទៀតហើយ
Crayfish too. There's crayfish.
Oh, okay.
The native ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have the Louisiana one.
Is that one small?
Yeah, the legal one is big.
Oh,
The one I have is small.
yeah.
It's about your thumb.
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm not a fan because the meat is too small, too much work.
No, we don't eat those.
Yeah, too much work.
My catfish ate all of it. But I killed all my catfish.
Oh.
Yeah, now I stick with mud. I'm done with this. Go wash my plant and then I'll probably go shower.
Oh yeah?
Well, mud stinks.
You don't take it to bed with you? Come on.
You want to take some green algae with you?
No, I got a lot. Yeah, a lot in my pond. I cleaned the filter yesterday. No, Kang, no. You don't want to go dig one for me on the other side? Why?
Nope.
What if I dig?
You want the big one?
No, the other side is small too. Underneath those trees.
Go take a look.
Yeah, let's go take a look. Okay. Let's go, bong pon, let's go. Remember I have money? You said money? Oh. Well, I didn't see your pawpaw tree yet.
Right there.
Plant.
One fruit.
I'm gonna take a picture and send it to Choi.
Yeah, I got one fruit right there.
Ôi, một băng kia xa đó.
Well, at least the water is nice and...
Ooh, wow.
This one's gonna be beautiful. Ooh.
Ooh. ស្អាត ជីទៀតឲ្យបងប្អូន Time to dig another one. I'm a bad customer, you know that?
I know.
I'm so bad.
Demanding.
Very. Very demanding. When I go home, I got to put it in my pond.
You have a lot of work.
Oh, it's okay. Something that you like, you do.
It's not work.
No. It's excitement. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Ooh. Nè, bongប្អូនណាចង់មកទិញដើមឈូក And here is my other mini lotus pond that I dig myself, and I finally got some pink color lotus from my friend, and I planted it all in the pots, and when it's survive it thriving, it's gonna multiply, and then in this little pond it will fill with lotus. Then I'm going to have issue in the future, need to separate it because my lotus pond is very small. Space is limited, but it's okay. Can't wait till it's bloom. And that's the other one is done blooming. It look very nice. Nikki chuk. អាងឈូកមួយទៀតអត់ទូចដល់នាងខ្ញុំជីករួចហើយបងប្អូនបានយកដើមឈូកពណ៌ផ្កាឈូកយកមកដាំជាមួយឥឡូវនេះចាំមើលវារីកស្អាតណាបងប្អូនរីកហើយពេលណាវាធំវាបែកមែកទៅក្នុងអាងហ្នឹងមុខជាពេញហើយ